Welcome to Kirtiskitchenkatta. How are you doing today? So today we are going to make something different in a different appliance altogether. This is the lid which we recently bought from Instant Pot. It's an air fryer lid. It has got lots and lots of modes, and we used roast and air fry mode. So today we are going to roast peanuts in our air fryer just in 5 minutes. So today I'm going to show you roasting the peanuts two ways. One is this air fryer lid way, and the other one is in the microwave oven. So let's get started. So the lid comes with couple of parts, and one of them is this basket which goes in our Instant Pot. This is my 6 quarts Instant Pot, and you have to put the inner pot in it, the silver or the stainless steel inner pot in it. In that I just put this basket which came with it, and directly to the basket I'm just putting 1 cup of peanuts. These are little bit bigger peanuts. I just got them from the instant Indian grocery store. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to take this lid. The lid comes with one attachment. This can be used to store this lid. Also, if you turn it around, it is just like a stand for this lid, because the lid becomes really hot once it's done. Once you hear this music, the Instant Pot music, that means it is fixed properly. One more thing I want to tell you is you can see that we have not turned on the Instant Pot. This lid comes with this big switch or big plug, so it actually it is occupying both the sockets. So because this becomes really hot, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press roast. 380 Fahrenheit is the max when you do the roast, and it's 5 minutes, and I'm just going to roast for 5 minutes. I'm pressing star. So once you hear this noise, that means that this lid has started its work. So I'm going to check after 2 minutes, and I'll show you where we are at that time. So I've taken a microwave safe container. It's a Pyrex bowl, and again 1 cup of peanuts, and I'm just putting it in my microwave. I'm putting it for 2 minutes. It's on the highest setting of my microwave. Honestly, I'm not sure about the I'm not sure about like what are the watts and everything about this microwave. So after 2 minutes, I'm just going to stir it. This I just took out from the microwave, and I'm going to put it back for another 2 minutes. So 3 minutes are remaining, that means 2 minutes are over. I'm just taking this out on this stand. I'm just going to stir this, and quickly I'm putting the lid back. And I don't need to do anything, it's just going to go back to 3 minutes. So now we will check after 3 minutes. So after 2 more minutes, I just took it out from the microwave. So 4 minutes in total. but I think I'm going to keep it for 1 more minute. This Pyrex container is very hot right now, so the peanuts are still roasting, and I'm going to keep it back in microwave for 1 more minute. So our Instant Pot air fryer lid is done. I'm just going to pick it up. And you can see nice brown peanuts are done. So if you want, what you can do is just leave them in this basket, because the basket is pretty hot right now and they'll keep roasting. If you feel that you are good and you don't want them to crisp more or roast more, take it out. So for me, we are good with this, so I'm just taking out. So as I said, the basket is very hot, so I'm just taking it out in one plate. And our roasted peanuts are done in air fryer lid. Now I'm going to just take out the microwaved ones and I'll show you how they look. So these peanuts we just took out from the air fryer lid, the Instant Pot air fryer lid, and these I took out from microwave. In my opinion, these peanuts which came out from the air fryer lid are roasted perfectly and they are browned nicely. Here also they have browned, but I would need to maybe keep it in my microwave for 1 more minute. Here there was no babysitting required. Here I had to take them out couple of times before putting it back. So I would go with my air fryer lid, 5 minutes, 1 cup, and I'm good to go. Do let us know which method you guys liked more, and just leave the comment so we know what do you like. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Kirtiskitchenkatta. And be safe, have fun, happy cooking. Bye bye.